Welcome to today's tutorial on calculating the median for individual data. To begin, arrange your data in ascending order to make the calculations easier. If you have an odd number of data points, the median is simply the middle value. For an even number of data points, find the average of the two middle values. Let's work through an example with the dataset 2, 5, 8, 9, 12, 15, 19. Since there are 7 data points, the median is the value at position n plus 1, 2. In this case, the median would be the fourth value, which is 9. Now, let's try another example with the dataset 3, 6, 8, 11, 15, 20. This time we have 6 data points, so we find the average of the third and fourth values. The third value is 8 and the fourth value is 11. Therefore, the median would be 8 plus 11, 2 equals 9.5. Remember, the median divides the data set into two equal parts, with half the values above and half below. Practice these steps to become proficient at calculating the median for individual data.